Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing R&W Co Mop Soap, a premium soap brand that comes with a surprisingly steep price tag. We tried it ourselves to see if it actually justifies the cost. Pros first. The scent is unique, natural, and feels more luxurious than generic bar soaps. The lather is rich and creamy, and the soap doesn't leave the skin overly dry like some cheaper brands. It also looks aesthetically pleasing and feels like a boutique product, which makes it a nice option if you want a more elevated bathing experience. However, the cons make it hard to recommend for everyone. First, the price is very high for something that essentially does the same job as a regular soap. While the experience is luxurious, the actual cleansing power is not drastically different compared to mid-range soaps. Another drawback is that the bar dissolves faster than expected, especially if left in the shower, meaning you get less usage out of it. Overall, R&W Co Mop Soap is a beautiful product with a great scent and a luxury feeling, but when it comes to value, it feels overhyped. If you love artisan or premium soaps and don't mind spending, it's enjoyable. But if you're looking for a purely practicality, there are much cheaper soaps that work just well. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam-free.